Binning is the process of putting your rugs away and recording where you put them. Once the rugs are dried and inspected, tracking where they went is easy. You have the ability to update their location manually by going to the rug item and entering a bin location. Now you can see that the location is there as well as the bin number. Or you can use the scan binning process. The scan binning process involves marking your bins with barcodes, which are generated by RugSimple, and scanning the rug number followed by the bin it was put into. This can be done as many times as you like, and then the information can be uploaded as a batch. When you're ready to upload the binning list from your scanning gun, simply go to barcode input, bin and trigger input. You're going to create a new run. Drop your data in. This is easily done through a USB cable from your barcode scanner, and it'll look something like this. You'll have the bin, or you have the rug number followed by the bin number, the bin code, and the rug number followed by the bin code. We're going to add that, and we're going to run this. Shows that these two items are successful. And if I go back to my order, you'll see that this one's been moved to bin 10 and this one's been moved to bin 9. You can create as many bins as you like. You can also create bin numbers with names. So this can be block area, or wagon, or cart, or measuring floor. It simply tells whoever's looking at this order where they can find the rug.